students, in your measurement chapter, see in this problem set 47, this 17th one example is going on. Problem set 47. Number example C. A sack had 40 kg 300 grams of vegetables. Vegetables in a sack 40 kg 300 gram. There were 17 kg 700 gram potatoes, 13 kg 400 gram cabbage, and the rest were onions. Means remaining are the onions. Then what was the weight of these onions? See here. There were 17 kg 700 gram potatoes, 13 kg 400 gram cabbage. First we do this addition here. Gram 0 0 1 carry here 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11 1 3. Answer is here 31 kg 100 gram of this weight of potatoes and cabbage. Then here weight of these total vegetables 40 kg 300 gram total vegetables. You subtract this weight of these potatoes and cabbage 31 kg minus 100 gram. Then here G 0 0 3 minus 1 2, here kg and 40 minus 31 here 9. Answer is here 9 kg 200 gram weight of these onions. Weight of these onions. Then 18 number. One day Guru Mandar Singh this walked 3 km 750 meter and Parminder Singh walked 2 km 825 meter. Who walked further and by how much? Firstly Guru Mandar walked 3 km 750 meter. Gurminder Singh walked and Purmander Singh walked 2 km 825 meter. Purmander Singh. Then who walked further and by how much? Here meter 10 minus 5 5, here 4 minus 2 2, here 7 means 17, 17 minus 8, here 9, 925 meter only. 925 meter. Gurmandar walked more by 925 meter. Below answer right. Gurmandar walked more by Purmander Singh 925 meters. The next one, see this 19th number. Suresh bought 3 kg 250 gram of tomatoes, 2 kg 500 gram of peas and 1 kg 750 gram of cauliflower. How much was the total weight of the vegetables he bought? Suresh bought 19 number. Suresh bought 3 kg 250 gram of potatoes, 2 kg 500 gram of peas, 1 kg, 750 gram of cauliflower. Then total weight, do addition here, gram, here 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 kg, 500 gram, total weight of this vegetable. Total weight 7 kg, 500 gram. Then next one, 20 number. The distances of some places from Akola are given below. Use them to make word problems and solve the problems. Here only distance and places is given. Then you make here word problem and solution also write. See this 20th one. 20 number. Here places, Amravati. Distance is given 95 km, Bhusawal 154 km, Nagpur 249 km and Jalgaon 181 km. Then you prepare here word problem 20 number. First, what is the distance between Nagpur and Jalgaon? Nagpur and Jalgaon. What is the distance between Nagpur and Jalgaon? Nagpur distance is here 249 km minus Jalgaon distance 181 km. Do here subtraction. 9 minus 1, 8. Here 4 means 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 68 km. 68 km. In this type, again one second example you prepare here. What is the distance between Amravati and Bhusawal? What is the distance between Amravati and Bhusawal? Then Bhusawal distance is 154 km, Amravati 95 km. Then 154 in minus 95. In this type you do subtraction and write answer. Okay. Then next one, question C in your textbook, page number 67. Complete the following table and prepare the total bill. See here. Here foodstuffs given, weight also given, rate also given. Then you write here only cost of these foodstuffs. Firstly here sugar is given, then weight 2.5 and rate is 32. Then in cost you multiply here 2.5 into 32. Rate is here 80 rupees. Then you write here. Then rice 4.0 into 35 means 4 rupees. Then you here multiply 35 into 4, 140 rupees. Then you write here total cost. In this type you do this multiplication of weight and rate and you write here in this cost, and here lastly total means addition of all these numbers and you write here total rate. In this type here in homework you complete these questions 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Means firstly you write here this word problem one by one, afterwards below solution write and send me homework. Here your measurement chapter is completed. Then next one chapter perimeter and area. Then on Monday we will study. Okay. But in homework you complete these 5 questions and send me homework. Okay. 21 also, this also you complete. Afterwards make this table and in table you write this all these cost.